Hey guys, welcome back. So this is gonna be I made two cards for KSCRAFTS, and I'm using this die, and it's a girl holding an umbrella with this super cute dress, but I only used the dress. And this is the card that I made. It's a pretty big card because I use these Julie Nutting, these tag pad, and it's just like a whole bunch of dressers. So what I did was I cut half of the dresser so it could kind of open, so it looks like that, and I put the two dresses on little hangers, and she's wearing one, and I just cut that piece, just cut the top piece, and I think it came out really cute. And then the inside says friend, and I added another dress with the hanger. So this is it. I think it's so cute, and I love that it fits these dolls. Okay, so that's my first card. And then my second card, I used these this oval stitch. This die is like, it's probably one of my favorites. It's so cute. And this is it. So I used two layers, and I made this one. And this is my girls from the Polka Doodles, just flowers from my stash. This is from Anna Griffin, the bows from Anna Griffin. And that's it. This one was super simple, but still I think was very cute. But these are my two cards for KSCRAFTS. And that's it. Let me know which one's your favorite. I think I kind of like this one, just because it's kind of like, you know, 3D-ish, I guess. All right, guys, but I'll be back later with more projects. Bye.